Have you ever made a decision in your business that felt right at the time, only to discover later that it missed the mark? Decisions make or break progress. But what if you could make confident, data-informed decisions without second-guessing yourself? Hello, I'm Clive Enever, business strategist. And today I'm sharing how you can build your decision-making confidence by using data without getting lost in spreadsheets. So if you're ready to turn gut feel into grounded confidence, stick with me. Let's start with something important. Data is not about numbers. It's about clarity. Often business owners think that data is just for the big players, the ones that have analytical teams. But that's not what data is about. Businesses create data every day. The key is knowing how to see it, interpret it, and use it. Let's say you're considering launching a new product or service. You might look at client feedback, customer engagement, and sales patterns. These aren't abstract numbers. They're messages, flag wavers if you like. And when read correctly, they guide you to yes or no. It really does bring it down to being that simple. Many business owners collect this data, but then fail to use it. It's about developing simple systems to allow you to work through the data, to read the messages correctly, and thereafter make the appropriate decision. It brings everything down to simple. There are 3 key steps to becoming confident in your data-driven decision making. First, let's identify the right metrics. Not all data is equal. It's important to identify what will drive the business forward. For example, we might look at the number of inquiries we have. We might look at leads generated, conversion rate, client retention, and profit margins, for example. Pick 3 to 5 metrics that relate directly to your goals. Ask yourself, what do I need to know to be confident in making this decision, either yes or no? Make tracking a habit. You don't need to smother yourself in spreadsheets. Pick the items that need to be followed to allow your business to grow, and grow in the direction that you want it to. Essentially, when you're looking at these metrics, they give you more information the longer you've been tracking them. That is, patterns emerge. Now, patterns can emerge very early, but over time, the patterns become more concrete. Patterns matter. They are what give you the clues as to which direction you should take. For greater clarity, pair data with content. Data tells you what. Content tells you why. For example, if sales dropped during a given period, was that due to fewer inquiries? Or was it a matter of the salesperson took a little bit of a holiday? Or there could be other things at play. We might have to look earlier. Did we drop off our marketing? Putting the data together with the content guides you clearly on how to grow your business more efficiently. The magic in all of this is recognizing that your instincts probably aren't all that wrong. The data is there to support those instincts, and over time, you train your instincts to become better and better. So what can you do today to start making data-informed decisions? First, pick 3 to 5 metrics. Track them. Set aside 15 minutes each week to monitor and interpret what the data is telling you. And step 3, reflect on what the data is telling you and compare that data to what you know about what's been happening in the marketplace, what you know from your team, from your clients, from your own understanding of the marketplace. Confidence isn't about never being wrong. It's about knowing that your decisions are grounded, informed, and aligned with your goals. When you use data as your ally, not your master, You become the kind of business owner who leads with clarity. If this resonated with you and you'd like support in building a decision-making framework tailored for your business, let's chat. I'm here to help.